Seeing that red brake warning light on your dashboard can feel scary, right? Don't panic just yet. In this video, I'll show you exactly why it turns on, how to fix the problem, and finally, how to reset it. Stick around till the end because I'll also share one tip that can save you from an expensive repair later. First, let's understand what that light really means. The brake warning light isn't always about total brake failure. Most of the time, it's triggered by a few common issues. Your brake fluid is low, the parking brake is still engaged, brake pads are worn out, a bad brake sensor or wiring issue. So, before you assume the worst, check these basics. Let's get into step-by-step fix. Step 1, check the parking brake. Sometimes it's as simple as forgetting to release the parking brake fully. Even if it feels released, push it down or pull it up again and make sure it's completely off. Step 2, inspect brake fluid. Pop the hood and find the brake fluid reservoir. If it's low, top it up with the recommended brake fluid for your car. But here's the important part. If it's low, it usually means your brake pads are wearing down, so don't ignore it. Step 3, look at brake pads. Worn brake pads can trigger the warning light. If you hear grinding or squealing when braking, that's a big clue. Replacing brake pads early not only fixes the light, but also saves your rotors. Step 4, check the sensors. Some cars use sensors to detect brake pad wear or fluid levels. If the sensor is damaged or wiring is loose, the light might stay on even if everything is fine. A mechanic or a scan tool can help test this. Okay, now let's talk about resetting it. Once you've fixed the problem, the light should normally turn off on its own after driving a short distance. But if it doesn't, here's what you can try. Turn the ignition on without starting the engine, then press the brake pedal several times. Sometimes this resets the system. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes, then reconnect it. This clears many warning lights, including the brake light in some cars. Or use an OBD2 scanner. Plug it in, scan for brake system codes, clear them, and the light should be gone. Here's the golden tip. If your brake light comes on and off randomly, don't ignore it. It usually means your braking system is right on the edge. Get it checked quickly before it turns into a costly repair or worse, a dangerous situation. So that's how you fix and reset your brake system warning light. Check your parking brake, top up your brake fluid, inspect your pads, and use a scanner if needed. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this.